be discussing the regions of the upper limb, the bones in the upper limb, the muscles, the arterial supply to these muscles, their innervations, the venous drainage, as well as the lymphatic drainage. So for the regions of the upper limb, the first region is the pectoral region. Around this region is the scapular region. Okay, the scapular region. Then we move to the upper limb proper. So here is the shoulder region, and then inferior to the shoulder region we'll get to the arm. That's the region of the arm. Now between the arm and this pectoral region of the body, there's a space which admits vessels, nerves, and arteries. So the English word for that is armpit. The Greek translation for armpit is axilla. When we move beyond the arm, then we'll get to the cubital fossa. All right. So posterior to the cubital fossa is this region, which is the elbow region. Inferior to the cubital fossa, we'll get to the forearm region, between the cubital fossa and the wrist, or between the elbow and the wrist. So this is the forearm region. When we move downwards, this region is the wrist. When we move beyond the wrist, then we get to the palm. Okay, and then from the palm we get to the fingers. It is going to be interesting to you that we consider some structures in the chest as well as the scapular region or the shoulder blade. The reason is because the muscles that are around that region act to move the upper limb. For example, the muscle in the pectoral region inserts into the bone of the upper limb, and for the scapula, the muscles of the scapula also insert into the bone of the upper limb, which is the humerus.